Joji. Joji.
Hiyo nimeweka.
Tujaribu tusipite hii line. Tusipite hii line ya red.
His Excellency, People's Deputy President, we appreciate seeing you here today. Mama boys, one
Deputy President. Three, 4, 5. Mikono wazi, na tunaomba ya kwamba lolote atakalolifanya katika hii nchi litaguza hata nchi yetu. Asante kwa jinsi ulivyomtumia.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Let me thank you good people for
the safe journey. We want also to bless God for the people of Seattle. We were here the other day and you welcomed us, and we are already feeling home from home. And thank you for the many hours you have had to wait as we went through. So we thank everybody. It's going to be a good time for His Excellency as he meets the people.
Yeah. So, His Excellency, welcome people to tomorrow's breakfast. People are waiting for you, and we are ready to meet you.
Thank you very much. Let me take this opportunity to welcome all those who will be engaging us tomorrow, the day after, when we have game. For the time we are here, I am really looking forward to see our people. I've missed them, I love them, and I can't wait to start engaging with them, to catch up, to know how they have been, how their lives have been, their life here, and also tell them how back home is. So we are really looking forward.
Okay, thank you so much. Welcome.
Yes, Sandy. Thank you.
Makofi.
Haya. 1 2 3, ngoja tunapiga makofi ya kilo kumkaribisha. Raisi mtarajiwa wa nchi ya Kenya, utunenea, utubariki na wakasatu ukawe na wakati mwema Seattle na Marekani. Karibu, funga, fungua.
And say one time, eh? One time. Say one time.
One time.
Say one time. Say again. Say again.
Acha niende bags, eh?